Hey everyone, it's Caden here with another episode of Tiny Home Tuesday, where this week we're showcasing the model known as the SanJuan. Now you may be saying, haven't I already seen the SanJuan? And you would be correct, but you have never seen the SanJuan like this SanJuan. Guys, if you don't really remember how our SanJuan flows, you've got 2 bedrooms with 2 lofts, so you can sleep a family, a full-size family at that. Guys, here is the specialty of the SanJuan right here. You've got a hidden oasis. Look at that. This is your bonus room. This is your office. This is your dining room. This is your children's playroom. This is whatever you want it to be. You can see right here, we've got a dining table. You've got a closet space over on the other side. You've got a twin-size Murphy bed right there in the middle. Guys, you can do whatever you want with this space. You can keep the Murphy bed. You can take out the Murphy bed. You can have a dining area for you and your family. You can make this one big closet. For all my fitness expos out there like Mr. Tiny, you can even make this your own little workout facility. I do not recommend doing any kind of jump rope because, hey, you got the loft up above you. Wake up, bump your head, nobody's happy. Well, over right here, you can see you've got windows. We've got the clear story windows, and you've got this gorgeous window section right here for your living room area. Guys, and you've even got a little bench seat right here. Again, we're talking about your kids' play area. Guys, put some stuff right in there, keep their toys there, and you're good to go. You can see we've got this gorgeous shiplap going through here. Give it an accent, give it something to spice it up. And if you follow me right through here, we'll check out this entertainment center. We're continuing the shiplap accent right here. You've got the entertainment center, you've got cabinets galore. Put your DVD player, put your DVR, whatever you've got, put it right there, guys. If you follow me through here, we've got one of our newest countertop selections. It gives us some dark, it gives us some contrast. That way, whenever you add in these white cabinets, it goes pop. You've got the shiplap that we continued right through here. Again, we've got the window above the sink. We've got the pull-out faucet with the spring. We've got the convection microwave. We've got your smooth top stove. Here is where we went a little bit different. We went a little bit crazy, got a little bit of changing up to go on here. We shortened your little hutch area here. We made this, instead of having 3 cabinets over here, we did it with 2 cabinets. Get your washer dryer right here, guys. This gets you a closet in your master bedroom. You can do it like this. You can extend your hutch area if maybe kitchen space is a little bit more important to you. And then guys, we can put your washer dryer in your bedroom closet. We can get it in there. We can get it under the stairs. We're pretty flexible with you guys. A stainless steel fridge right here, guys. You can do a side by side. You can do this one. It's up to you. And as always, we've got our little cabinets up above. We like hidden spaces in tiny houses. And if you look right through here, you see that we've got a gorgeous master bathroom. We've got the shiplap accent continued. We've got the cabinets. We've got the sink and this gorgeous tile shower. Now, as you make your way through here, we end up in the master bedroom. We've got TV jacks in here. We've got your AC and heat so you can separate it from the rest of the house. We've got the shiplap continued right here. We've got the windows. We've got more windows. And guys, right here is where we change it up a little bit with the hutch space that's out front. Right here, you've got a closet. And right here, you've got drawers. You've got a built-in dresser here. So if you want to keep your washer dryer there, you can get a built-in dresser here. If you don't want to keep your washer dryer there, we can put your washer dryer right here where these built-in dressers are. Do a one-piece combo, save time, save money, live better. Now as we work through here, you'll see that we've got our open riser staircase as we go all the way up, and then it splits in both sections of the loft. So if you'll follow me, guys, we'll go up and check the loft out. Now that we've made it up here to the loft, guys, this is only one of the 2 lofts that you've got inside of the SanJuan. You can see we've got cabinets here, we've got cabinets there, we've got a separate AC and heat system up here. We've got a full cabinet set going all along, all the way to the end of the house here, guys. And this is just one of the lofts. This is the private loft, the hidden oasis in this home. And guys, we've got a second loft over there on the other side. You'll see that that one is a little bit more open. You can let your kids play there. You can keep some toys there. You can put some twin mattresses, pretty much whatever you guys want to use it for. Guys, you've got it, we've got it for you. Now, thank you everyone for checking out another episode here of Tiny Home Tuesday. Remember, like, comment, share, subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you have any questions at all, shoot us a message. We'll help any way we can. Have a great day.